Video. Okay, so here is the fuse box, breaker box. It is here in our laundry room. The garage is maybe like right here above us, and I will show you. So like I said, fuse box, and we are downstairs, and to get to the garage, go upstairs, and our garage is in here. I feel like the breaker box is down below, down there. You know, typical wall outlet, probably on this side of the wall or that side of the wall, whichever works easiest. If it's any help, our outdoor source is here. Ours is the middle one, number 5, which is directly on the other side of our garage wall. I don't know if you can use that, but it's there, and that's the project. Thanks.